Hello guys, this video is about installing the INAV LUA script onto your radio transmitter, and you will get this fancy look of your flight status, including the attitude indicator and the horizontal situation indicator as well, and many other things as well. In color, if your transmitter has LCD in color. Or for me, I'm still using X90 Plus Teranis, the old one, which only has the black and white LCD screen. But that is not a problem because this INAV LVUA script support the black and white LCD screen as well. So let's start. We go to this website, and I will give the link into the video description under the video, and just choose the first one in the asset. Choose the first file, click on it, download it, and then when you open it up, it will show. Yeah, there will be two folders inside the one that you have downloaded. Okay, and then you just insert the SD card of your radio transmitter. I remove the SD card out of my radio transmitter and then insert the SD card into my computer and open it up, and the file will be like this. And basically, for automation procedure, you just drag the folder onto the folder with the same name, and all the new file will be updated to your SD card automatically. But then I just want to make sure, so I do it manually. I click into the script folder, and and then next the telemetry folder that needed to be transferred into my SD card. So I transfer it, and there you go. I got those three files here. And then go back to the tool folder manually. We just want to make sure that what is going on inside my SD card. So just one file, so transfer it, and then I got it here in my SD card. And then go back to the the root folder of the file that you have been downloaded, and that will be the folder widgets. So just find the folder widgets in your SD cards. And in case you don't have the widget folder inside your SD card, so just copy paste the whole widget folder into your SD card. But if you already have a widget folder in your SD card, just if I going to do it manually, just open it up and then copy the what is it inside the widget folder in the INAV uh, file, and then copy it into my SD card widgets folder, and that is it. Okay, now you can disconnect. I mean, eject the Teranis. I mean, your transmitter's SD card out of your computer, and then put it into your radio transmitter and turn it on. Okay, once you turned on your radio transmitter, and then go to one of your model inside the transmitter, and you have to press menu once to go to the setting of the model, and then I will long press the page button to go back one page. You need to find the display page, and then go down to this screen. Normally the screen one will be the default screen, so you need to change from the default will be number. The first option will be number, but you need to change it into script, and then in the sub option, then select to choose INAV and enter, and then there you go, exit. And then once you long press the page button again, and you will get the INAV telemetry display like this. And you have three options in at least in my tolerance, there are 3 options. You can change the option by press enter once, again, and again. Goes back to the first option the option I choose. And if you want to change the setting in the display, you can do it by long press the menu button, and there you go. There will be so many setting that you can choose. Mostly is the options for warning or the warnings, and then the kinds of roll and symbol scale. Okay, and now you can exit this page by oops, and there you go. If you use TBS Crossfire like me, Crossfire with the INAV LUA script, you may encounter this error. And yeah, it has been mentioned in the INAV website before you install it. I recommend, and they recommend you to use HTX or other kind of LUA based program other than OpenTX. If you use OpenTX and Crossfire, you will get this error. So if you use Crossfire and you don't want this error, you just need to migrate to HTX. So in this case, I need to restart the I can exit by long press the exit button, but then in order to go to the INAV display page again, then I cannot do it. I need to restart the transmitter. And now my transmitter has been restarted, and now I can enter into the INAV telemetry display again. Okay, again, if you want to exit from this page, you have to long press the exit button, and there you go. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget that you can support me by click the thanks button, the thanks icon below under the video, and there will be more details on how you can support me just one time. Okay, see you next video. Bye bye.